Hello everyone, today's video is on the best hand vacuum in the market for this year.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
Becel Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Becel makes this handheld vacuum cleaner. It is often called Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. It is very popular to remove stubborn pet hair and dirt with its lithium-ion battery and advanced brush tool. The capacity of its dirt cup is 0.7 liters. It also includes a crevice tool and upholstery tool. Its dirt bin is easy to empty. It provides 3 levels of filtration. Its convenient, powerful battery provides additional runtime. It can run for 17 minutes. It is purple. Price of the item is justified. Handforto Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Handforto creates this quiet yet powerful vacuum cleaner. This battery-powered vacuum cleaner is black. It comes with an ergonomic design. It is very easy to keep because it is lightweight. It runs for a long time and it facilitates a quick charge. It can run for half an hour. It also comes with all the required accessories such as a crevice tube, brush tool, convenient extension hole, etc. It is not only portable, but also durable. It provides excellent after-sale service. Users love it for its battery life. It is a convenient vacuum cleaner in many aspects.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.